It's fine. I'll just buy a lawyer.
Sorry?
Sit down. I'll purchase a lawyer. That's fine.
Look at their piece of property.
When this defendant accused his own lawyers of incompetence over a supposed Fourth Amendment violation, the judge gave him a blunt lesson in how the law actually works.
This court received correspondence from Mr. Hitchcock contending that he wanted to file ineffective counsel due to multiple arguments and wanted to get a new lawyer. All right, Mr. Hitchcock, you filed this request, so tell me why it is you think you deserve to have another lawyer. You got two of them right now.
Because they're not doing their job correctly.
Tell me what they're not doing.
So I've asked multiple times for a suppression hearing, and they keep denying me to file a suppression hearing. My rights have been violated on this case. My Fourth Amendment has been violated, and they think that there's no suppression hearing. Every time we have a conversation, it either ends up in an argument. It feels like there's a lot of tension between me and her for some reason. I don't feel like she's doing her job correctly.
So the centers around the suppression issue that you contend there is?
Yes.
I read your motion, and you believe that your Fourth Amendment rights were violated during the traffic stop because the officer called you someone else's name while trying to arrest you, so you pulled away, making you resist arrest. That's the violation?
Yes.
All right, well, that's not a violation. It's not a Fourth Amendment violation. It's a fact you could present at a trial, perhaps, to explain maybe why you acted the way you acted, but it's not a constitutional violation of your Fourth Amendment rights. It's not allowed to file frivolous motions. There has to be a basis, a legal, lawful basis for a motion. She or Mr. Fatika can get in trouble if they file motions that there's no lawful reason to support. So just because the client says, I want you to file a suppression motion, doesn't mean they have to jump at whatever you ask them to do. If there's no lawful or legal basis for them to file this, they're committing an ethical violation if they do it.
With regard to the arguments, we haven't had much of a productive conversation with that respect. I know we went for a jail visit on October 21st, and that was productive. That's when that suppression issue was brought up, and we told them that it would be frivolous to file anything, so he's been informed of that. We also went to a jail visit on November 12th, which our visit was denied by Mr. Hitchcock.
This tension he talks about, there hasn't even been any meetings for there to be this tension.
We have been denied.
Well, Mr. Hitchcock, you have the right to have a lawyer appointed to represent you. You don't have a right to pick and choose who your lawyer is going to be. There's no grounds that you're presenting me to indicate that they're not doing their job. They're doing their job the way they're supposed to do it. All right, your request for a new lawyer is being denied at this point. This matter is set for a trial January 6th.
It's fine. I'll just buy a lawyer.
Sorry?
Sit down. I'll purchase a lawyer. That's fine.
You're going to purchase a lawyer?
Yes.
Look at their piece of property?
No, I have family members.
All right, well, tell whoever it is that you purchase that they're going to trial on January 6th.
Of course.
We need to know by this coming Tuesday whether you're going to accept the state's offer or not. So your purchase lawyer will have to contact this court by December 23rd to say whether it's going to be a trial or whether it's going to be plea.